Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 do's and don'ts using Ohuhu markers. So, let's get into it. Choosing a color by relying on marker cup and apply it direct to your drawing. Use the chart to choose what color you would like to use and try it first to the scratch paper to make sure that the color blends well together. Using one shade of color in the entire drawing. It would be better to choose at least 3 or more shades of colors for the light tone, mid-tone, and dark tone for the shadow. Using the wrong combination of colors. It's very important to choose the right color combination because it will help you to have a smooth color transition from light to dark. and you can use this color wheel as your guide. Ignoring all the small details. Always include all the small details because it will make a big difference in your drawing. Using the wrong paper. It's very important to consider using the right paper because it will help you to blend and it will give you a nice bright color for your art piece. That's the 5 do's and don'ts using Ohuhu marker, and I hope you found it helpful. So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.